my name is Charles, and I wanted to make a video on what life would be like, or the first step you can take to make life kind of like solo leveling. How can we make life like solo leveling? Well, no good business, right? Let's take a look at business. No good business does not take regular stock or inventory on what it's doing. And so I think there's a couple layers to this, but I think what we can go over is a simple practice. A simple practice to make life like solo leveling is essentially a pen and paper, and every night before you go to bed, take 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. You can do shorter or longer if you want, and write out all the decisions and actions and things you spent time on throughout the day, the ways you were feeling, how you spoke to certain people, and then give yourself some, feedback. What did you do right that day? What did you do wrong that day? What do you think what do you want to spend more time doing? How do you want to spend more time feeling? If we took regular stock, the same way a business takes inventory and gauges how well are my ads doing? How well is my thing selling? How well are we feeling each day? How loving are we being? Are we making good quality decisions? What are the outcomes of our decisions? If we spent time deliberately, like what went well, what didn't go well, what we can change each day, and genuinely try to improve ourselves, I think most people just run on autopilot. They just do their natural instincts. They just go, they stress out about the tasks they got to complete, and they just go from task to task or thing to thing, get distracted on YouTube, waste time. Like, if we realistically want to make life like solo leveling, we need to take stock of where your skills are now and what level you want to get to in the future. And then just every time you make good decisions, you're like, at the end of the night, you're like, okay, that was good. We're going to keep doing that. We're going to do less of this. And this is no self-judgment, okay? Big disclaimer, we want to remove self-judgment, right? We're not judging ourselves in the sense of like shame or guilt or anything like that. We are not here to make ourselves feel bad. We're just here to objectively write, okay, what did we do that went well? What did we enjoy spending time on? How are we feeling? How would we like to feel? And what decisions should we change? Because if you can have enough clarity to like continually there's a Japanese term called Kaizen, which means like 1% better. But if you can even get 1% better daily from this, in an extended period of time, your life's just going to get like incredibly good. So I think this is the first step, and a simple step. It doesn't really take, it doesn't take big finances. It doesn't take buying a master course. Just simply trusting your own, reasoning and rationale. You just take a pen and paper. You write down what went well, what didn't go well, what do you want to change, and then see how things go. See if you just do that for 30 days. See how things go. Who knows? Maybe it could do something big. Maybe I'm completely wrong, but maybe your life could be better. Let's see if you can make your life like solo leveling. God bless. Have a wonderful day.